Hey my girls and my guys, watch as I DIY a cute little peacock costume for Halloween. So first things first, I had a cute little craft night with my friend Amy. I started my costume by grabbing the blue feathers that I got from Amazon, and don't worry, if you're lost, I will link everything in my description. The purpose of the feathers was to glue them right on top of the bra, and the reason why I chose this tealish color is because peacocks have like that blue teal color in the front of them, and I wanted to make sure that I was being consistent. Once I was done with the bra, I moved on to the corset and did the exact same thing. I laid the feathers down exactly how I wanted them to be positioned, and then I just hot glued them all over the corset. Next, it was time to glue the peacock feathers on both the corset and the bra. I glued my feathers onto the bra just like this. It's not shown, but I also did a second layer in the front to fill in the gaps. Next, I added random peacock feathers all over the corset, and again, I glued them down with my hot glue gun. I laid down everything flat to dry, and I also bought these small little swimsuit shorts from Amazon. These were the perfect shorts to complete the outfit. I know I look crazy. Ignore that, but I'm gonna show you guys the headband that I'm gonna make, and it's gonna go like this. I got the headband from Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to take these and put them around the headband, and then hopefully I can build like a little peacock head thing. Okay, so I think I have the motion going. What I'm doing is that I'm zip tying these to the headband, and then I'm like hot gluing them so that they don't move, and so far it looks good. Okay, again, I look crazy, I know, but now I'm gonna glue the peacock feathers on these little plastic strips, zip tie thingies. I don't know, this seems kind of big. I kind of want them smaller. And I still have to add more. Oh no. Ugh. Okay, it's done. Oh my gosh, and I think I like it. So I had to call my friend. I was like, should I add blue in it? Should I not? But I think this is cute. It's giving, so hopefully nobody knocks it off my head. And yeah. So I'm gonna take a nap actually, because I'm exhausted, and then I'm gonna wake up and then put the costume on, and then you guys can see the entire thing put together. Okay, so this is the final product. A little hard to see. I need my friend to like tie more of it up in the back and then like fix my straps, but like yeah, this is the peacock costume. I'm gonna add clips from the party and more clips just like showing off my outfit, but like I hope you guys like it, and comment, like, subscribe, and you know, give me 5 stars.